Hi, today I want to talk about high-res images. That's high resolution. It's an answer to a question I was asked about how you can get a high-resolution image from Canva, because it's not as straightforward as you think. I'm Kim from Biro and graphic designer at More Marketing. Let me go over to my screen and we'll take a look. Today I've put up two images. One is one of me, and the other is one I've just taken from Canva. These images are on a standard new size Instagram frame. And when I talk about high resolution, you don't need it for social media. You can download this as a JPG or a PNG, and they'd be as good. But when you need high resolution or high res images, it's for printing or artwork or something you want blown up even larger if you get it printed. High resolution is all about the number of dots per image, or DPI, that you need. And ideally, for a high resolution image, you want to get to 300 DPI. Let me show you what resolution these images downloaded as on the standard download on Canva. Let me look at the properties on this first image. It's 1080 by 1350 in size, and you can see it's 96 DPI. And I need to get to 300. If I look at the second standard image from Canva, file info, and you can see that also downloaded at 96 DPI. Let me go back to my screen and show you how you can achieve a high resolution image. Okay, what I need to do to achieve a high resolution image is simply go to Share, click Download, and you can see here the size. And by making it much larger and PNG, it goes all the way up to 3.125, I will then get a 300 DPI image. Let me show you. Click Pages, and I'll do the standard Canva image as well, so you can see that. This will always default back. I could have saved the download settings if I wanted, but I didn't, because generally I won't want an image that is this high. We're back onto 3.125. I'll click to download. Back to my images. You can see it's a much bigger file size at 6.2 megabytes. And we'll look at the file information, and you can see it's 300 DPI. And I'll just check the other one. You can see this one is now much larger. It's 14 megabytes, and it's 300 DPI. These are now perfect if I wanted to print from them. How to get high resolution images from Canva? You just need to know that little trick to be able to do it. I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.